Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and if you love sending postcards and you love literature, this set from Obvious State Studio. You have a total of 100 postcards. It comes out to being there's a total of 50 different postcards, and 50 is a lot. They're all really amazing. So each of them have different artwork, and then they're different quotes from books. They tell you who the author is, they tell you the quote, and the artwork goes along with the postcard. So you have 50 different ones multiplied by 2, so you have a total of 100, which is great because you have your favorites. Some of the artwork is just so beautiful and so cool that you might even want to keep them and frame them as actual artwork. These are so incredibly fun, sending them out to everyone every once in a while, reminding your friends and family that you love them. If you are in need of some good postcards, or you have a friend that loves literature, this is going to make a perfect gift for them. And that's my point of view.